to understand all of you how to find the circle, area, area of triangle, area of square, area of rectangle in depth C by C language, in C language. Okay, so for the for circle formula is pi r square. Okay, pi r square. This pi is constant, so we do not show in integer. Okay, this is just constant value, but this is variable. Okay, we have to show either its value r equals to any, means 2 for any. Okay, or either just we put this r and after that we print this r. Okay, so how? So we are going to type data type. Okay, how? Just return integer r equals to 2 and semicolon. Okay, this is integer. Okay, and after that we introduced data type integer, we have to of circle. Okay, so area is equals to pi value is 3.142 into, for multiplication we use steric. Okay, and r and again steric and r. Okay, also and after that semicolon. Okay, this why we put r double, cos r is square, means 2. Okay, so after introduce the formula, we have to print this area. Print f and bracket semicolon. Okay, and this is type is integer. Okay, so for integer type we have to %d, type %d. Okay, and this and comma and introduced area and this and this. Okay, and there is curly bracket open, we have to close it. Okay, so this line many all of you don't understand how. This is just that this %d is indicate integer. Okay, integer. Okay, and this area, this %d print this area. Which area? This area. Okay, so for running we have to first diagnostic condition go, use of undeclared identifier area, undefined. So oh my god, we are not introduced their area. Okay, I am not introduced their area. Okay, area. Okay, compile and just run. So and compile is finished and the output we get output 12. Yoo-hoo. 12. How 12? When you multiply 3.142 by 2 is to power 2. Okay, we done that area of circle. We are going to find the area of square. For square, formula is L square. For L square, we have to change the formula of area. Okay, formula of area, and also this. Why this? Just we change this R. Okay, this R. Okay, why this R? This R change into L. Okay, and area not change. Okay, and there also R change, and 3.142 neglect. So I show you. Okay, I change it. Oh, then area L. Okay, L how? L into L square. That's why I put it there. Okay, so run it, save, and you get 4. How get 4? 2 into 2 is equals to 4. Just it print that. Okay, then we are going to find the area of rectangle. For rectangle, length into width is the formula. For this, length is there, but for width we have to introduce an integer data type, and also area change. So how change? Just look there. Okay, so I put it there. L equals to 2, W is equals to 2, area, land into width. So save, compile and run. There is also 4. Okay, why 4? Because length into width 2 into 2. Okay, so let's find the area of triangle. Okay, for area of triangle, formula is half b into h, breadth height. Okay, breadth height. Also for this half become 0.5. Okay, 0.5 is come in the area, and breadth into height also, so it's come into area. Okay, formula become change. Okay, and their land into breadth convert into h and b, area become area, but 0.5 is just shown in the area, not in the integer type, because it is constant, not a variable. Okay, so how? Okay, so save, compile and run. We get 2. How? 2.5 into 2 into 2. 2 into 2 is 4. When we multiply it by 0.5, we get 2. Okay, so let's move there, that whenever you don't know the value of breadth and height. Okay, breadth and height value you don't know, so how you can find it? You have to first of all introduce the scanf function. Okay, for print and printf also. but how? There you have to this include in the between of integer type and area. How? Let me show you. Scanf, but there is problem that our previous program was run, but there was mistake. What is the mistake? Mistake is that area carry 0.5, which is float. We have to type another row there, which is float f. Okay, so and also there in printf, there we have to print f, we have to put it there f. Okay, so how? There you can see that I convert area into float, printf, scanf. There scanf, in the scanf %d y %d. Okay, in this, because this % store the value of b, this h, the print. Okay, first in printf I introduced it what is the value of b and h, and in the scanf I print it. Okay, for printing function d, %d is for b and %d for h. Okay, for this, and also there this is f, because area is in float. Why in float? Because you see in there area is 0.5. okay, this area is 0.5. okay, and so run it. 5 into 5, okay, there's 12. So let's do our previous like 2, when we are introduced our L and B and H value is 2. So I'm just put B and H value is 2. Okay, so run 2, 2, we get 2. In the previous program we done with 2 also. Okay, this is, then our answer also is 2. Okay, thank you very much. Please subscribe, share and like. Okay, thank you very much.